Welcome to the naked room tour! We are right now in my absolute dream apartment. Since I moved to Dubai, I wasn't able to move in here, but now it's finally time and it's so nice. It's like, let me just show you. Turn. Ta-da! This is a huge, a huge living room. And this is the huge terrace. And something that Khaled, behind the camera, always wanted to have, green view. So here is the XXXXL terrace. We continue. You know what the cool thing is? You can actually connect both rooms, like because of this. And now let me show you the open kitchen. What do you want to have for breakfast today, sir? Space.
Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice.
So here, it's not really a room, it's, you know, but I think we can put our baggage here. This is room number 1. And guys, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on the notifications so you never miss something. And Khaled and me are not quite sure what we want to do, but we were thinking about a huge wardrobe slash office slash content creation space. This is a walk-in closet. Actually, one of the main reasons why I took it. If you want, I can hide in here.
See you, babe. See you.
See you. Bye. Help me!
No.
Help me!
You wanted to go in, no?
For that room, not my personal favorite, to be honest. I don't like the tiles, but the other one for the master bedroom is why I took it. But this bathroom is like so big for the guests. You know, here's the toilet and stuff. It's big.
I mean, they can have fun here, so that's good.
So, another cool thing is this is storage. Just, you can stay there, just so you see how big it is. Here we're gonna put, like, of course, washing machine, drying machine, and then iron station, but then also like a lot of shelves to put things in. This is the gem, the master bedroom, and then the very cool thing is that this also has a walk-in closet.
And this is what Shnura loves.
I love this. Honestly, like, look guys, like there's so much space. Seriously, Khaled and you will not be able to fill all of that. So I'm super happy that one problem that we have less now is storage. And now, here is the gem bathroom. And again, it's so hard.
We actually, you know what's gonna happen? We need to choose one for you, one for me. So choose one from now.
This one.
Oh, that's better because I can go faster.
Of course,
Yeah.
clean.
Yeah, that's true.
This side, but still, it's such a nice view. I love bathtubs so much. Like it's, and also that we can shower. You look at the forest shower.
Oh, I didn't see
The
that.
rainforest shower, so I can just be here
That's
while
cool.
you sit there, or I sit there and you be here, you know?
Yeah.
It's so nice, you know? Alright, so this is it. This is our naked room tour, and just stay tuned for what we actually gonna do at this place. You will not recognize it. We have so many crazy nice plans. Inshallah khair, so stay tuned.